everyone. Today I just want to show a real quick little video about something that I really love, and that is my KamSnap Press. I am just going crazy with this and I love it so much. And so you know that I love to sew little clothes for my daughter's American Girl dolls. And so I made some pajamas and here they are. And so I wanted to use my KamSnap Press to install the snaps on the pajamas instead of buttons or Velcro. And I remember when I was a kid, my mom made our pajamas, and I remember her being at the kitchen table with a hammer and a spool, hammering in snaps for our pajamas. So this was really fun for me and so fast and easy. And so the way I did it is I lined up the pajama top the way I wanted it to be, and then I got the little pokey snap part and pushed it all the way through so that the holes showed on the back, and then I could use that hole to line up the snap that goes on the other side. So each snap requires 4 parts, 2 for the top, 2 for the bottom, and it just came together so easily. And then once I had the holes, I was actually able to put the front over the top and make sure that the holes lined up just right. So easy. And then I just went through with each of those snaps and used my KamSnap Press, and I cannot believe how easy and fun this was to actually create this project and finish it off in just a few minutes. So much faster than buttons and so much more fun than Velcro. And so my daughters were thinking this was pretty cute and pretty fun. But look how fast and easy this is. And these snaps are so secure, much more secure than if I was using the old hammer method. And this snap press, I think it was right around $68 from KamSnaps. And then the snaps that I bought come in a cute set with flowers and little flat parts and stars. I'll show you the stars on the other top, on the blue top, in just a minute. But cute little star snaps for the front. I love the KamSnap Press. I've been using it for not just this, but for faux leather and all kinds of things. And so let's look at the finished product. Look at those cute star snaps. I love them so much. And they're just so easy, really good for kids, for little fingers. So much fun. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll try snaps. They're so much fun. And if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and join us next time for more fun craft ideas.